This is another substantive adjective. Potens means what? Powerful. Now, with that ends, Brady, redemption. What case of number is this? Potens, because in the genitive it goes potent, and then because there's so many irregular forms in the third declension it goes potentis. See where you get potential from. And that makes sense, right? Jacob, you said powerful. Potential energy is stored energy that can be stored and stored and stored and made more powerful until it's released into kinetic energy, and then kinos in the Greek means movement. Now, if it's potens, let's go ahead and just say it's masculine, nominative singular, the powerful, we know it's singular, man. So the powerful, the powerful nanner, because he's a banana now, the powerful man's got to do something. Where's my verb? Basil, can you help me? It's all good. It's all good. I think you are absolutely correct. And like always, if there's like a moment where you're like, you're not sure exactly, remember, I don't know any Latin noun that ends in a T. And also main verbs come at that end of that sentence, so great job. Can you tell me what tense wokaweet is, Basil? It's the new one. Yes! Beautiful, great job. So it's perfect. We know it's third person because we have a third person here, and we know that my subject is singular, and it makes a lot of sense because it goes isti, it. Third person, singular. So I'll put that there. So if it was imperfect, it would be were calling, but if it's made perfect, how'd you translate that, Miranda? Exactly, but it's not a we. It's the powerful man called. I'm gonna erase this stuff, sorry. Where are we gonna go? I don't know. I honestly see a lot of accusatives. Uxorum, that's accusative singular. Amicos, that's accusative plural. Omnes, that's accusative plural. So I'm probably thinking that omnes que and amicos are probably gonna go together, and maybe I'd say uxorum. Say is a reflexive pronoun. It goes sui, sibi, say. So it's accusative. It's kind of weird, but the powerful man, let's go to uxorum. What does uxor mean in Latin? So the powerful man called his wife, but because there's no asuus or anything like that, we'll just say an implied his. And the omnes amicos. We know what omnes means. Amicos. Put them together. What do you think that's going to be? Again, his pride. So the powerful man called his wife and all his friends. So it goes sui, sibi, say, because Latin's occido, occidere aligns into that side, the killing of himself, herself, or themselves. So I know that that's kind of a heavy word to use, but always looking at things etymologically from my perspective, you can extrapolate a lot of information from the words that we use. Sui refers to himself, herself, or themselves. In this case, if it's a powerful man referring back to, then in this case, the powerful man called his wife and his friends to himself. And a lot of the time when it's translated, Latin likes to do this thing where it goes, he himself, blah, 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 this and that. Blah.